On this channel, we go over tips we've used to save money. If you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below telling me you subscribed. How to save money on groceries. Food is getting so expensive. Money starts to get scarce when you live on your own or if you're budgeting for a family. In this video, we go over how to save money on groceries and still have a little left over at the end of the month. Number 1, use coupons and buy in multiples. If something's on sale, buy more than one item and save it. If you use store coupons in the flyer at the front of the store, you can usually get some good coupons that'll end up being almost free at the checkout. Number 2, shop during sales. You can get great sales on sale day. You can get items from the back of the bin. Those are fresh items on sale days, not the fruits and vegetables at the front. Number 3, go to the dollar store and get some sides, snacks, or condiments. You can get these items for only a few cents at the dollar store. Number 4, meal plan. Plan your food for lunch or on the weekends. It saves you time and money. Number 5, eat leftovers. Eat your leftovers from dinner the night before. You are saving on one meal and you can add a fun side or something to that without having to buy something new for your grocery list. Number 6, don't buy items at eye level. Go to the shelf above or below. Those are items that are name brands that are at eye level and that the store wants you to pick up. Get the generic things on the shelf above or below. They are cheaper. Number 7, don't buy anything that's in a bag. It's cheaper loose. You're paying for the plastic to wrap the items. Number 8, don't buy anything that's pre-chopped, like mushrooms or veggies or fruit. They don't last as long and you can chop it yourself. If you like this channel, like I said, please leave a comment below saying you subscribed and watch the next video.